message is to ABC30 TV. World leaders will clean up the coronavirus away. But how do basic people will begin to break things and get dirty in Nashville, Tennessee? All peoples in Nashville, Tennessee will stay in homes, lock all windows and doors. If you are a world leader, get guns and rockets to attack how to basic people. Stay tuned for after programming. Message is to ABC30 TV. The How to Basic People were reported in entire state of Tennessee. All peoples in Tennessee are stay in homes. Lock all windows and doors. If you are world leader, bring guns and rockets to destroy how to basic people. Stay tuned for after programming. This is national emergency for entire country of United States of America. How to basic people taken over the United States. The cities are Merced, California, Boise, Idaho, New York City, New York, San Francisco, California, and Santa Fe, New Mexico. All peoples in United States will stay in homes. Lock all windows and doors. If you are a world leader, bring guns, bombs, and rockets to destroy how to basic people. Stay tuned for catastrophe situation.
This is Fairbanks, Alaska News and Radio Talk, but I have a bad news for all the peoples. How do basic people get extremely hot temperatures across the globe? This is a really bad situation. But the world leaders is trying to stop the how to basic people. I gonna play the songs right now.
Coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at. I was at back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. A lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim.
It's really hot out there. I gonna try to cool off.
Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip.
Oh my god, I gonna try to survive the hot temperatures on Fairbanks, Alaska. Help me, I'm burning alive. Please help me, please help me. Oh my god, my station is burning. I am going to die.
message is to ABC30 TV. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency will across the world. How do basic people will releasing extremely hot temperatures across the globe. Temperatures around about 420 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Everything is melting and messed up. How to basic is too strong for world leaders. There's no way to stop the killing. How to basic people. All peoples are listening to message. Gather friends and family and pray for last hours of earth. 43-3 The God about know why the how to basic people are trying to ruin this world about you. This station is sign off for the final time with playing of national anthem. Please stand by now about final activation of emergency alert system. Make God help us all.